Alright, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be walking you through how to create Ghibli image in Chatgpt in 1 minute. So I'm using a free Chatgpt account, so it's not a pro, which means you can actually try it with your own Chatgpt account. So all you just have to do, just log into your Chatgpt account, then click on Chatgpt at the top left, or you're gonna see a page just like this. So all you just have to do, click on these three dots right here, then click on create image, then on this plus sign right here, click on upload. Then if you have the image you want to upload on your Google Drive, you can click on Google Drive, or if you have it on your OneDrive, which is from Microsoft, you can also do that. Or if you have it on your computer, so you can click on upload from computer. But I have my own on my computer, so I'm gonna click on upload from computer. Then I'm gonna navigate to where my image is. You can see this is my image right here, which of course I've been using for my thumbnail design, right? So next thing I'm gonna do, select the image, then click on upload. Right, so once you click on upload, on this create image right here, just click on it, then you have to input your prompt right here. So on this prompt, I don't know what this. Please ensure your network allow access to this site, to contact your network administrator. So I don't know what's going on, but let me try to reload this page. Send. All right, so I don't know what the issue is, so I'm just gonna quickly do the same thing again. So upload the image, right, then give it my prompt. So then under this create image right here, so I'm gonna put create, this image in Ghibli style. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that very well, but then I think that's how I can pronounce it. Please create this image in Ghibli style and make it outstanding. So I'm gonna click on enter, then it's gonna work on it. So right, you can see, so I'm just gonna wait for it to load. You can see getting started, so the image is gonna load. It's gonna take like a minute for it to load, and then you will see the result right here. All right, I think our image is here right here. So it actually take a minute and more, because I believe there are also some people that are trying this out at the same time that I'm working on this. But then I think if you have a ChatGPT Pro account, it's gonna take you less time than using a free account. So you can see the sample image right here, and this is the result that we have. This look quite amazing, and it follow all the steps that was stated on the sample given to the ChatGPT, right? So it makes sense to me. I don't know about you, but then I believe you also agree with me that this is actually amazing. So that is how you can actually create a Ghibli style image in ChatGPT for free.